So I'm going to share with you guys a few tips and tricks that I'm aware of to help save you gas money. But I also want to use this video as like a comment thread for any of you creative people out there who have figured out gas saving hacks, or if you just want to share your gas saving knowledge in general, leave a comment below, help out the rest of us. We're all in this together, so if you've got some creative ways to save gas money, definitely let us know. Aside from the obvious like driving electric cars or stealing the gas, if possible, let's try to limit it to legal means of procuring gas. These aren't in any particular order. So first is gas saving apps like Upside. Upside is an app that basically gives you cash back for your gas purchases. I'll put a link to it in the description and the comments below, along with a promo code that can give you additional cash back. The way it works is after you've downloaded the app, you open it up and it shows the nearest gas stations to you, and it shows you how many cents off per gallon you can get at those particular stations. And once you've selected a station, it gives you 3 or 4 hours to arrive at that station. And once you arrive, you check in and enter in like the last few digits of whatever card you're going to be using so that they can verify your purchase. And then from there, you just pump your gas, and a few days later, the cash back will show up in your account on the app. And there's an alternative way it may have you do it, which is to print out your receipt at the pump and you submit your receipt. And then again, a few days later, the cash back shows up in your account on the app. So it's pretty simple, pretty user friendly. And again, I'll put a link to it in the description and the comments below. I'll also include a promo code that you can use that at this time will give you an additional 15 cents off per gallon. So if the gas station you select is already offering 15 cents off per gallon, this promo will give you an additional 15 cents for a total of 30 cents off per gallon, which is pretty decent savings. So the second app that I'll mention is not specifically for gas. However, it can help offset the cost of your gas purchases by giving you cash back for all your other purchases. That app is called Fetch. And again, I'll put a link to it in the description and the comments below. Fetch gives you cash back for virtually every purchase you make. So basically how it works is you connect an email account and or your Amazon account and allow Fetch to scan your receipts. And for each receipt it scans, it gives you points. And if you don't want to connect your email account or your Amazon account, you can just take a picture of your receipts using an in-app camera, take a picture of the receipt, submit it, and get your bonus points that way. And once you build up enough points, you can redeem those points for all kinds of gift cards, a Visa gift card, Starbucks gift card. There's a whole plethora of gift cards to choose from. So like I said, it's not specifically a gas saving app, but it can help offset the cost of your gas purchases by giving you cash back for all your other purchases. So another way to save a little money at the pump is using a cashback credit card. So I use the City Double Cash card, which gives you 2% back on every purchase. So if I were to use that credit card to pay for gas while using the Upside app, not only am I getting the cash back from Upside, but I'm also getting 2% back from my credit card for the entire purchase. So another way to save gas, and I've heard this so many times, but I don't know if it's true, maybe somebody out there can verify it, is when you go to get gas, go either early in the morning or at night. If I understand it right, the idea being that during those times of the day, the temperature is cooler, and therefore you're less likely to be pumping fumes into your tank, so you're actually getting more gas. And again, I don't know how true that is, but if somebody out there can verify it, let us know, and that could be a way to save a little on gas. Another couple of ways to save gas that I think people overlook. Number one is to make sure that your gas cap is tight and secure. A loose gas cap can obviously cause gas to evaporate straight out of your tank, which is like money evaporating out of your tank. So just make sure that it's on there securely, and also make sure that your car's engine air filter is clean. A dirty air filter can reduce your gas mileage by up to 10%. Most air filters are cheap and easy to install, and that's something that can save you a decent amount of money in the long run. So another way to save gas that Obama famously mentioned is to make sure that your tires are fully aired up. And quick plug, if you need a portable air compressor to make sure your tires are always filled up, check out the VacLife portable air compressor. I just did a review on. I'll put a link to it in the description and the comments below as well. Making sure your tires aren't running low on air seems pretty insignificant, but in the long run, that's something that can add up. So the final way to save gas that I know of is to join a rewards program at your grocery store. I think most people are aware of the Kroger fuel points system, where every dollar you spend gets you 1 fuel point. And once you build up to 100 fuel points, I think that's 10 cents off per gallon. I'm pretty sure that's the formula. And occasionally Kroger Inflator will offer incentives like 4 times the fuel points if you buy gift cards and that sort of thing. So keep an eye out for bonuses like that. I'm sure there's probably some fuel point equivalent for Walmart and a lot of other grocery stores, so keep that in mind. So I think that's all I've got for right now. That's all I can think of. Again, if I think of any other gas saving apps, or if I think of something else, I'll also include it in the description in the comments below. And again, for anybody out there who has gas saving hacks, tips, tricks, anything that I didn't mention, please leave a comment below, because like I said, I want to use this video as like a comment thread where people can read through, find different ways to save gas money. You know, let's all help each other out. We're all in this together. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.